Today we're going to be showing you how to put a rear view mirror on your driver's side 1975 Chevy Corvette. By the time you're done, yours will look like this. So let's get started. The tools you'll need for this project is a number 4 Allen wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. We got our new mirror for our 75 Corvette, and this is what we got. So we've got our new mirror, and we have our piece here that we'll take out, and then we'll mount it on top of this and we'll screw it all together. But to get this out, you have to use an Allen wrench, and this is a number 4. We're going to take a number 4 and we're going to put it in there. There you go. And now this piece comes off, and this is how you'll get your mirror from wherever you order it. And then we'll take this out of here and we'll do the rest of the project. Before we start, we're going to make sure that we have threads in here, and although they're a little rusty, we do. So now we'll be able to proceed and to put our mirror on. So we're going to match up our black piece right here like this, and then we're going to take our other piece, our silver piece, put it on top of it, line up the holes. Get our screws in there. Let me put this screw in here to, so just trying to line that up. There we go. All right. Now, let's line this up. Try to line this up in the middle of that. Just like that. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna do it this way, so you don't want to over tighten it either, so just make sure it's all really good, because I don't want to strip it. Okay, that's about it. And that's how you fix your 1975 Chevy Corvette driver's side rear view mirror. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.